The Color Theme tab is where you can customize the different colors that make up the user interface of your world. Each color here represents a different group of user interface elements. You can click one of the colors to get a color picker that will let you pick a new color. Clicking the eyedropper icon will let you copy a color that you can already see on your screen. Whenever you select a new color, the preview section will show you how it will look like. To finalize your changes, click the Save Changes button. The World Access tab lets you change the ways in which your users can access your world. This area will show you a live preview of what the login screen for your world looks like. Disabling the self-registration option will remove the ability for your users to create an account from the login screen. Enabling SSO login will add the ability for your users to log in using single sign-on login. If you have SSO login enabled, you will get the option to disable the standard login. If you disable the standard login option, you will be able to remove the standard login for your users and only keep the SSO login. If you have SSO login enabled, this section allows you to enter a custom text for the SSO login button, and it will also allow you to select a new icon image. This section contains important data that your IT staff will need to generate SSO settings for your world. This section is what your IT staff will need to fill up to complete setting up SSO. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.